Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Turn the ignition off and remove the key from the cylinder. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts and airbag faults. Gather tools including a Phillips #2 screwdriver, 10 mm socket, and a plastic trim tool. Wear safety glasses and gloves while working close to airbags. Work in a well-lit area with space for removed panels and bulbs. Keep screws and small parts in a labeled tray to avoid loss. Locate and remove the 2 upper dash screws that secure the cluster bezel. Remove the 6 lower cluster screws with a 10 mm socket or screwdriver. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry the bezel away from the dash edges. Pull the bezel out evenly to prevent warping or cracking. Behind the bezel, unplug 2 electrical connectors and the speedometer cable if equipped. Support the instrument cluster with one hand while disconnecting connectors with the other. Lift the cluster straight out to access the rear bulb socket safely. At the back of the instrument cluster, locate the bulb sockets and twist them counterclockwise. Pull each socket straight out and remove the old 12V wedge or bayonet bulb gently. Insert the new 12V wedge bulb, ensuring correct alignment and seating. Reinstall each socket by twisting clockwise until it locks in place securely. Reconnect the electrical connectors and temporarily reconnect the negative battery terminal to test illumination. Verify all dash lights function before final reassembly, then reinstall bezel.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.